Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and I'm passionate about traveling. Today, I'm going to share with you an amazing virtual tour of the breathtaking beaches in Praia da Luz, Portugal, in 4K quality. If you like my videos, be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment below this video. Let me take you to the beautiful Atlantic coast of Portugal and show you some of the most exciting spots in Praia da Luz. It's such a paradise that you almost can't believe how stunning it is. From the sandy beach to the crystal clear ocean to the curved cliffs, it's all a feast for the eyes. As we walk the shoreline, you can see the silhouettes of surfers riding the waves on their boards. They look so peaceful in the evening sun. And our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the breathtaking cliffs, where one of the most incredible sunsets awaits you. Are you ready to explore this nature-reserved gem? Well, grab your cameras and let's go. As we stroll around the coastal path, you can spot wild deer grazing on the hills and seagulls catching their evening snack. Such a tranquil and peaceful atmosphere. You can climb to the top of the cliffs and enjoy the incredible panoramic view. The contrast between the azure waters and the orange rocks is pure magic. When the night falls, all the stars in the universe come out to twinkle in the sky. Such a romantic experience. And when the beach turns into a huge carpet of starlight, you feel like the whole world belongs to you. If you feel like you can't get enough of this amazing place, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join my channel for more virtual tours. I hope you enjoyed this incredible journey. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!